is this? This is a weird gun.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Oh, it's a flare gun.
Maybe you should put that back.
I'm just holding it. Is this the trigger?
Oh my God, Stewie, you all right? What the hell happened?
Just some stupid stuff went down.
You could have been killed. I could have been killed. And look at my car.
Well, you know, if you had just taken me to the real North Pole to see Santa, none of this would have happened.
What is this? What are you doing?
Hitching a ride. I'm going to keep heading north until I find Santa.